Hey fashion-forward viewers, welcome back to Top 10 Travel, where we're about to embark on a stylish journey around the globe. I'm Tony, your guide to the glamorous world of fashion. Today, we're diving into the ultimate list, the top 10 fashion capitals that define trends, set the runways on fire, and shape the very essence of style. So, grab your favorite fashion beverage, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with our countdown. São Paulo. Dive into the rhythmic heartbeat of São Paulo, Brazil, as we kick off our journey at number 10. This vibrant and eclectic city, pulsating with sizzling energy and diverse culture, has become a captivating hub for innovative fashion. São Paulo, with its dynamic fusion of tradition and modernity, sets the stage for global trends. The spotlight shines brightly on the São Paulo Fashion Week, an event that encapsulates the city's creativity and flair. It's here that established and emerging designers converge, showcasing the richness of Brazilian design. But our exploration doesn't stop there. Venture into the labyrinthine streets of Vila Madalena, where dynamic street styles paint a vivid portrait of São Paulo's fashion evolution. From bold colors to experimental designs, every corner exudes the city's signature style. São Paulo has truly emerged as a Brazilian gem, leaving an indelible mark on the international fashion landscape. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of style and innovation that define São Paulo's unique fashion identity. Moscow. Embark on a journey to the majestic city of Moscow, our number 9 on the fashion capital list, where history and modernity converge in a dazzling spectacle. Nestled in the heart of Russia, Moscow exudes grandeur with its opulent history and contemporary flair. A city that effortlessly marries the richness of its traditions with a modern aesthetic, Moscow stands as a testament to timeless elegance. At the forefront of Moscow's fashion scene is Moscow Fashion Week, an event that transcends mere runway displays. This showcase of style encapsulates the city's unique approach to fashion, seamlessly blending opulent fabrics with avant-garde designs. Join me as we navigate the fashion-forward streets of the Russian capital, where every step unveils a harmonious synthesis of old-world charm and cutting-edge trends. In Moscow, the streets themselves become a canvas for fashion expression, reflecting the city's distinctive take on style. From the historic Red Square to the chic boulevards, Moscow's fashion narrative is a captivating blend of tradition and innovation, inviting us to witness the grandeur of Russian fashion evolution. Stay tuned as we uncover the layers of sophistication and creativity that make Moscow a remarkable fashion capital. Seoul. Embarking on our fashion odyssey, we now find ourselves immersed in the lively streets of Seoul, South Korea, claiming our spot at number 8. Seoul's fashion landscape is a mesmerizing tapestry, intricately woven with a fusion of traditional influences and cutting-edge street style. The city's sartorial narrative unfolds against the backdrop of vibrant markets like Dongdaemun, where the pulse of Seoul's dynamic fashion culture beats strongest. As we traverse through the trend-setting districts of Gangnam, it becomes evident why Seoul has become a global fashion hub. Here, the city makes a resounding statement with its unique blend of innovative designs and youthful energy. Seoul Fashion Week emerges as a pulsating epicenter, showcasing the avant-garde creations of both established and emerging designers. From K-pop influences to the bold aesthetics of streetwear, Seoul's fashion scene is an electrifying testament to the city's ability to seamlessly blend tradition with contemporary panache. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of Seoul's fashion identity, where every street corner tells a story of innovation and style. Mumbai. Embarking on the cultural kaleidoscope of Mumbai, India, our number 7 on the fashion capital list, we delve into a city that is a vibrant mosaic of traditions and contemporary flair. Mumbai, a melting pot of cultures, reflects its rich tapestry through the lens of fashion. The city's sartorial narrative pulsates with a unique energy, capturing the essence of India's diverse heritage. Mumbai Fashion Week takes center stage, offering a platform where traditional Indian aesthetics seamlessly intertwine with modern designs. It becomes a captivating showcase, where the catwalk transforms into a canvas of colors, fabrics, and styles, echoing the spirit of this bustling metropolis. Join me as we unravel the intricacies of Mumbai's fashion landscape, where every garment narrates a story, and every designer contributes to the city's undeniable influence on the global fashion map. From the vibrant street markets to the grandeur of fashion runways, Mumbai emerges as a formidable fashion force, proving that the city is indeed a trendsetter that deserves recognition and admiration. Tokyo. Touching down at number 6, we step into the mesmerizing realm of Tokyo, Japan, a city that encapsulates an unparalleled fusion of tradition and avant-garde style. Tokyo's fashion scene is a breathtaking journey through a landscape where historical elegance meets cutting-edge innovation. The streets of Harajuku, renowned for its quirky and eccentric fashion subcultures, serve as a vibrant canvas where individual expression flourishes. As we navigate through the upscale districts of Ginza, Tokyo's fashion pulse quickens, revealing a refined sense of style and sophistication. Tokyo Fashion Week emerges as the crowning jewel, where the city's artistic spirit converges. It's not merely a runway, it's a celebration of individuality, a platform where designers showcase their visionary creations and trends are born. Join me as we peel back the layers of creativity in this Japanese fashion haven. From traditional kimonos to avant-garde streetwear, Tokyo's diverse fashion landscape invites us to witness a harmonious dance between the past and the future, where innovation and self-expression reign supreme. Tokyo, a city that transcends trends, continues to captivate the fashion world with its unparalleled artistic flair. Berlin. Embarking on our countdown at number 5, we immerse ourselves in the vibrant and avant-garde city of Berlin, Germany, a true mecca for the fashion-forward. Berlin's distinctive charm lies in its edgy and experimental fashion scene, where the streets are an open canvas for self-expression and creativity. The city has evolved into a dynamic playground, fostering an environment where innovative designers and trend-setting individuals can thrive. Our exploration takes us through the eclectic streets of Kreuzberg, a neighborhood synonymous with artistic expression and unconventional styles. Here, every corner unveils a unique fashion narrative, showcasing the diversity and individuality that define Berlin's sartorial landscape. Berlin Fashion Week takes center stage as we witness a celebration of fashion's cutting edge. From avant-garde designs to boundary-pushing concepts, the runway becomes a showcase for the city's progressive spirit. Join me on this fashion odyssey as we unravel the magic of Berlin's fashion scene, where boldness, experimentation, and individuality reign supreme. Milan. Stepping into the enchanting realm of Milan, Italy, at our number 4 spot, we find ourselves in the pinnacle of luxury and sophistication. Milan, synonymous with high-end fashion, is a living testament to impeccable craftsmanship and timeless elegance. The city exudes an aura of refinement, setting the stage for global fashion trends. Milan Fashion Week, our window into the city's style opulence, is a dazzling spectacle where the world's renowned designers and iconic fashion houses converge. The runway becomes a showcase for unparalleled creativity, where each collection tells a story of innovation and artistic expression. Join me as we traverse the glamorous streets of the Quadrilatero della Moda, Milan's fashion district, where luxury boutiques and designer ateliers line the avenues. In this fashion haven, every step unveils the allure of Milanese fashion, a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, where each garment narrates a tale of sophistication. Join me in this exploration as we uncover the secrets of Milan's sartorial elegance, a city that continues to define the pinnacle of haute couture and set the standards for global chic. Paris. Embarking on our journey at number 3, we enter the enchanting realm of Paris, France, the epitome of romance, elegance, and haute couture. This timeless city has perennially been at the forefront of fashion, serving as a trend-setting force that shapes the very essence of style. Paris, synonymous with sophistication, is a living canvas where every street exudes a sense of artistic flair. Paris Fashion Week, an event that stands as a beacon of elegance and innovation, takes center stage in our exploration. It transforms the city into a runway where the world's most celebrated designers unveil their latest masterpieces. This spectacle draws fashionistas and trendsetters from every corner of the globe, converging to witness the birth of new trends and witness the magic of couture craftsmanship. Join me as we traverse the iconic streets of Paris, where style is not just a choice but an intrinsic part of daily life. From the chic boutiques of Le Marais to the historic elegance of the Champs-Élysées, every corner narrates a story of fashion sophistication, making Paris a city where the allure of haute couture and the essence of a stylish way of life seamlessly intertwine. London. Stepping into the dynamic and culturally rich city of London, our penultimate destination at number 2, we find ourselves in a global fashion powerhouse that exudes diversity and eclectic styles. London's unique charm lies in its ability to effortlessly blend tradition with avant-garde trends, establishing itself as a beacon of global fashion innovation. London Fashion Week, a celebration of unbridled creativity, is a testament to the city's position at the forefront of the fashion world. Both established and emerging designers converge to showcase their visionary creations, turning the runway into a canvas of bold experimentation and groundbreaking styles. Join me as we navigate the trendy streets of Shoreditch, an area that epitomizes London's avant-garde spirit. Shoreditch, with its vibrant street art, independent boutiques, and eclectic street styles, unveils the raw brilliance that defines London's fashion landscape. Every cobblestone in London whispers a story of fashion evolution, making the city a captivating melting pot where tradition seamlessly intertwines with contemporary flair. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of London's unique charm and witness the brilliance that sets it apart in the global fashion arena. New York. Landing triumphantly at our number 1 spot, the unparalleled fashion capital. None other than the city that never sleeps, New York, USA. This cosmopolitan metropolis stands as a beacon of style, a melting pot where diversity flourishes, and individual expression is celebrated. The heartbeat of New York's fashion prowess resonates through its iconic neighborhoods, crafting an inimitable identity that sets global standards. New York Fashion Week, an event of unparalleled grandeur, takes center stage in our exploration. It's a cultural phenomenon that not only unveils the latest collections but also dictates the pulse of international fashion trends. From the glamorous runways in Lincoln Center to the chic streets of Soho and the iconic Fifth Avenue, join me as we delve into the very soul of the Big Apple's fashion scene. The essence of New York style lies in its ability to embrace the eclectic, transcending boundaries and creating a harmonious blend of high fashion and street style. We immerse ourselves in the city's diverse neighborhoods, capturing the spirit of innovation and setting forth on a journey that encapsulates the very soul of New York's unrivaled fashion dominance. I hope you enjoyed this stylish journey with me today. If you loved exploring the world of fashion as much as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, share your favorite fashion capital in the comments below, and subscribe for more chic content. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay stylish, and keep embracing the beauty of self-expression through fashion.